Welcome to Wolfie's world, where English becomes your superpower. No matter your level, we break grammar down into clear steps with real examples and superhero energy. Let's get started. Today's topic, the present simple. We use it to talk about things that are true, things we do every day, and facts that don't change. It's one of the most powerful tools in everyday English, so let's master it together. Let's explore the present simple tense, a key part of English grammar. We use it in three main ways. First, for daily routines, like eating breakfast or going to school. Second, to state facts. Things like water boils at 100 degrees. And third, to describe permanent situations, such as he works in a hospital. Mastering the present simple helps you speak clearly and confidently. Let's get started. Let's dive into the present simple tense, specifically the affirmative form. The structure is simple, subject plus base verb. But for he, she, or it, don't forget to add s, like she eats breakfast, not she eat breakfast. For I, you, we, and they, no change, just the base verb. Understanding this rule is key to building clear and correct sentences. Let's take a closer look. Now let's look at the negative form of the present simple. We use this structure: subject plus don't or doesn't plus base verb. Use don't with I, you, we, and they. Like, they don't play football. Use doesn't with he, she, or it. For example, she doesn't eat pizza. These small changes help you say what someone doesn't do, clearly and correctly. Let's take a closer look at the negative form in the present simple, especially how we use contractions. Do not becomes don't, and does not becomes doesn't, like they don't run, or she doesn't swim. These forms sound more natural and fluent in conversation, and they help us clearly express what isn't happening, just as important as what is. Mastering them brings clarity and confidence to your communication. Let's talk about forming questions in the present simple tense. We use do or does at the start, followed by the subject and base verb. For example, do you play tennis, or does she like pizza? Use do with I, you, we, and they, and does with he, she, and it. This structure helps you ask clear, correct questions in everyday English. Let's practice a few together. Time for some present simple practice. Look at the blanks on screen and choose the correct form. She, the guitar every evening. That's plays. Add s for she. They, to the park on Sundays. We say go. No change needed for they. Tom always to work. That's walks. Remember, we add s for he, she, it. Using the right form helps your English sound smooth and clear. Let's keep going. Now let's look at the present simple negative form, used to say what we don't do. Use this structure, subject plus don't or doesn't plus base verb. Let's try some. I like coffee. That's don't. I don't like coffee. He watched TV in the morning. Use doesn't. He doesn't watch TV. They study on weekends. It's don't. They don't study on weekends. Mastering this helps you speak clearly about habits you don't have. Let's move on to forming questions in the present simple. We start with do or does, then add the subject and base verb. Let's look at three examples. 1. Does she play the piano? 2. Do they go to school by bus? 3. Does your brother like football? Use do with I, you, we, they, and does with he, she, it. This question structure is key to everyday English. Keep practicing, and let's keep learning. Great job today, hero. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, every step makes your English stronger. I'm Wolfie, and I'll see you in the next lesson.